a 40,000 square meters pulp molding factory. Today I'm taking you to see G-COVE's, a world-leading production base. Here are our raw material, plant-based fiber pulp. Do you think these are our only raw materials? No, no, no. Look. This is our raw materials, storage base. Experienced worker. Pour these fiber pulp into the pulp mixing tank. Then operate G-COVE's independent develop, fully automated pulping and blending system. The process of mixing raw materials, water, and various additives is the first step in making pulp molded products. The mixed pulp is then transported through these pipelines to various machines. In the production workshop, we see 30 fully automatic forming machines operating busily, completing pulping, molding, hot pressing, and trimming in one go. With the support of fully automatic production lines, G-COVE's factory has an annual production capacity of 6,000 tons of pulp molded products. I'm heading to the dust-free workshop now. Product quality is of utmost importance. At G-COVE, all products undergo strict quality inspection to ensure that every product received by customers is perfect. This is our R&D center, equipped with various testing instruments. This is a machine for testing heavy metals, and I've heard that this machine is the most expensive. At G-COVE is also a green factory. We have nearly 20,000 square meters of solar panels on the roof, with an annual power generation of over 1.3 million kilowatt hours. The energy saved is equivalent to planting over 2,000 trees. We also have a large sewage treatment pool, ensuring that the wastewater generated during production is efficiently treated and recycled. G-COVE is not just a production base for pulp molded products, but also a practitioner and promoter of environmental protection concepts, discovers sustainability, and covers science. Let us work together for the health of humanity and the planet.